Welcome to 2MinuteEnglish.com, teaching you English in 2 minutes or less. Table for one, please.
Follow me, sir.
Can I have the menu?
Here it is, sir.
What do you recommend?
The grilled chicken with tomato sauce. It's a good choice.
It sounds like a good idea. I'll have the chicken and a glass of wine, please.
Sure, I'll be right back with your order.
Hello. I would like a cup of coffee, please.
Which size?
A large cup.
Any particular flavor?
A hazelnut coffee. Is whipped cream extra?
No, the same price. Is that all?
Yes, that's it. Thanks.
I'm Jack, your waiter. What would you like to order?
I want a pizza with olives and chicken.
A pizza for me too, but with tomatoes and mushrooms.
That's 2 pizzas. Anything else?
Yes, 2 glasses of fresh orange juice.
Can I get you anything else? Dessert or coffee?
I'd like to have some dessert. Any suggestions?
The brownie served with vanilla ice cream is often ordered.
Excellent. Please bring me one.
Sure, I'll be right back.
What exactly is themthuk?
It's one of the most popular Tibetan dishes. It's a flat noodle soup with vegetables and meat.
Sounds delicious. Is it a starter?
It's sometimes eaten as a whole meal. You can have it as a starter if you split it.
Is there any fish in it?
No, but there's lamb.
Ah, well, I want a fish-based dish today. Let me order something else. Is it a starter? Is it a starter? Well, I want a fish-based dish today. Well, I want a fish-based dish today.
Is the sauce extra charge? Is the sauce extra charge? Excuse me, could you please bring me some tomato sauce? Excuse me, could you please bring me some tomato sauce?
What are today's specials? What are today's specials? A glass of lemonade, please. A glass of lemonade, please.
I prefer medium well, and please use very little salt. I prefer medium well, and please use very little salt.
I would like to have 2 eggs and a side order of ham. I would like to have 2 eggs and a side order of ham. What's the soup of the day? What's the soup of the day?
Could you check us out, please? Could you check us out, please? Can I pay with Visa? Can I pay with Visa? Could I have my Caesar salad served with the sauce on the side? Could I have my Caesar salad served with the sauce on the side? That's okay. Just bring me the iced tea instead. That's okay. Just bring me the iced tea instead.
I think I will try the small cappuccino. I think I will try the small cappuccino. What flavors do you have? What flavors do you have?
What about this chocolate pastry? Is it fresh? What about this chocolate pastry? Is it fresh